Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We're back again with RENOGY because they got so many of these great products and they are pushing the limits on the newest technology. These 150 watt CIGS solar panels are amazing. As you can see, they're a little bit more pricey than normal 150 watt panels, and there's some really good reasons why. And in this video, I'm going to explain everything in detail. If you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, feel free to use my promo code ADVENTURETECH. Get a good deal on this and help support my channel at the same time. Use the links in the comments and description to get right over to this page. So the RENOGY 150 watt CIGS solar panel is one of the newest types of solar panels out there. They're not like the other flexible solar panels you may have used in the past. These have very high flexibility, unmatched durability against hurricanes and hailstorms. I've even seen people use these for target practice and they're still working after it. Delivering exceptional energy yield and partial shading, seamless integration with diverse roof shapes and types, effortless adhesive mounting eliminates wear and tear, and minimizing roof stress for enhanced stability. These are super light. So these are ultra thin layers, 0.06 inches, and they are ultra strong. IP68 is going to keep the water and dust out of them, giving them a very, very long lifetime, projected up to 25 years, and it has a stable output under partial shade with some really advanced technology with the cells to help do that. Bypass diodes integrated across all solar cells, ensuring stable current even in shaded conditions. That's really amazing. 4 times lighter than rigid solar panels. So these are going to be very lightweight if light is an important thing in the build that you're going to be using these solar panels for. These are great for RVs, trailers, and things like that where you want to keep the weight low. This remarkable reduction in thickness offers greater flexibility in installation options and a sleeker, more integrated appearance. Sometimes you don't even notice these because they provide streamlined and aesthetically pleasing addition to your setup. Optimal instant charging. Hang your solar panel wherever you want at any time on the go. Maximize sunlight absorption. To preserve your roof integrity. When you're setting up heavier solar panels, you do have to do some mounting, and anytime you're penetrating through a roof makes you nervous. So you can eliminate the need for drilling holes in the roof at all by using these types of solar panels. You can 100% preserve the structural integrity and maintain sleek and that aesthetic look. And the installation is effortless. You can clean and dry the installation area, peel off the adhesive tape and attach the solar panel. Allow it to sit undisturbed for 24 hours, ready to go. A lot of people are using these and people are very happy with them. So you can cruise with confidence because the 4 strips of tape ensure superior adhesion, making the solar panel a reliable and stylish addition to your yacht. Really got to stress how easy these are to install. It's great when you finally get them giant solar panels, but then you get them home and you're like, what am I going to do with these? It is a bit of a job to get them set up. With these new CIGS panels, it is a breeze. Right now, they are 35% off, which is a really huge discount, so I wanted to bring it to your attention, and they're a very new product. So if you're looking for a good deal, you can get the discount plus use my promo code ADVENTURETECH to get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or description to get over to the page, get that deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which you know I always appreciate very much. Subscribe for free by clicking that subscribe button, and most importantly, click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to get over to these deals.